Okay, today we are going to concentrate on the easier way to separate iPhone 7 screen and step by step where you can be able to do it. It's not hard if you pay attention. Thank you. The first thing we are going to do is to concentrate on this is a separation machine. So I'm going to on it so the hot plate is going to get hot, so it will enable me to separate it. Then number two, I have some chemicals here that I can be able to use. This one it's used to remove gum after we separate, and also this one is a shiner. It will shine the screen as well. So as we use it, you are going to see everything. And also I have my separation cable here that I'm going to use to separate. This is 0.035 mm. It's a very good separation cable we use for separation. And also here we have a wiper. After we finish everything, we use this to wipe the screen so as to give it a quality. And also this is the glass that we are going to use. Is a new glass, you can see it. We are going to use to put it on the screen. This is the screen, as you can see. It's on now. You can see everything touching. Everything is touching. You see? There is crack, the glass is cracked. As you can see it. Okay. Here we go now. We are going to start work now. Okay. What we are going to do here, the phone is on like this, so you need to off it. When you off it, then the first thing you do is to remove your battery. This is the battery contact here, as you can see. You peel off the battery contact. After I peel off the battery contact, then also erase the screen contact as well. After I did here, see. Then here we are going to put it so that it will get hot on our separation. Move it down. Okay, here we go. In the process of removing this iron, you know, there we are here, and also at this side, you need to put it on this hot station. By the time it gets hot, it melts the gum, so it will give you easy access to remove them, as you can see them here. And also this one is from this side, and now next is this one. So it's hot now. So let's use our hard razor to remove it. It's easy when you put it on the hot plate, so you allow it to get hot. When it gets hot, it will enable you to remove it. As easy you can see, so it's out now. So the next thing to do, because it has a broken glass here, as you can see, so we are not going to separate it like this. We are going to use our solo tape, of which, look at it here. So we are going to use this solo tape, so it will going to give us a balance. It will bring unity among the glasses. Okay.
Yep.
You can see it now. I've put the sellotape. So now we are going to put it on our separation machine. From there, we are going to use this flexible rubber that we use in between the screen and the hot plate as well. So when putting this, as you can observe, there's a hole here and also there's a hole here. So you can set it. When you set it, you align the line on the rubber and also the line on the separation machine plates. So you put your screen just like this, and then from there there's a key here. So you are going to click. So your screen is now clicked on it. So by the time it gets hot, it's ready for separation. Okay, now we are going to start separation. Then in the process of separation, before putting your cable, as the way I introduced to us, this is cable 0.033 mm. You can see it here. So before you do that, you have to observe where which position is suitable for separation. You know, you cannot start from this side because here is the flex, like the heart of the screen. So you can't start from here, you either start from here. So we are going to start from this position now. So you can see it now. We have separated it successfully. Then now you are going to off your machine from here. So we are going to the process of cleaning now. So we are going to use, this is the first chemical that I can be able to use, and also you get your wipe ready close to you. But before that, you apply your chemical just in between. Don't allow it to go to the sides to avoid entering to the zebra. So you put it at the middle, then you can use your hand and rub it round. You can see, gently, very gently, so as to soften the gum. You can do that for just 2 minutes. So now the gum is soft already. So it's advisable as an engineer, if you want to learn this work, you can leave some finger, itself as well. It's one of the tools that we use in repairing. Just gently. You see it? Okay, now as you can see, we have already done with this chemical that is to remove the gum. You can see all this the gum that we have removed. So now the next stage is the shining part now. So I'm going to use this chemical to shine it. As you can see, it's very clean. Then from here, you are going to take your glass. This is our glass. What you are going to do here, you need to observe. Is the glass having gum or not? This is the observation that we are going to do. You need to look at it critically because some used to come with gum and some does not have gum. So once you see nylon in there, you know that it has gum. You use your finger. As I said, finger is very important in this work. You need it to be keeping your finger not that long, but the one that can be able to be used when it's the time for it. So from here, you put your finger down there, so you can feel in there's a leather there. So you just raise it up and you pull it out. That's all. So you are going to take your spring. You see this, your spring. So you take your spring like this. This is the glass. How you are going to put this, you have to start from the flex side. This is the flex side. You bring the flex back. Also this. Then you can put it towards this side. Gently, you press it down, or gently. And that's all. You can see it, just enter. So now, the next is the baking process. So let's go for baking now. So now we are in the process of the bubbling now. So we can remove, you can see their ear here inside the spring. You can see it. That's a kind of ear. So by the time we put it in this vacuum, we call it vacuum. So it will draw out this ear now, and you can see it. We are in the process now. So when using this type of machine or any other one, you have to look at the ear. That's the compressor. The compressor has to reach a certain stage that itself it will stop. So by the time it stops, then you start your work normally. And also it has time. You see, there's the time for the vacuum now. So now it has drawn the air, the exact air needed for this work. So here we proceed. So this is start, as you can see. So until it starts, you can see it. Okay, now you can see the air has stopped. You can see it has gone back now. So we are going to remove our spring now. Wow, perfect. You can see it, very perfect. So now we are going to test it to see the result of our work. Okay, now this is our work. We are going to test it to see the result of what we have gotten so far. Then you click your battery. Now you can see everything working perfectly. So you can subscribe and like our page. Thank you very much for more videos.